Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about Myhash and what Myhash can do for you and what Myhash is all about. So let's go ahead and get started. Myhash. We are Myhash, technology and finance in real time. Myhash, we combine technological advancements with the approved elements of the digital age. Integration with security and essentials for investor protection. The idea of an integrated crypto asset bank with mining power focused on digital assets aroused from the growing demand for investment alternatives and growing affinity for technology and process engineering. What is Myhash about? So the company of Myhash, we are a Swiss group of private banks and corporate wealth management founded by former UBS bankers. We received a banking license from the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority, known as FINMA, in August 2019. To fulfill what you considered with growing demand, the group will offer its client service such as safe custodial of digital assets, cryptocurrency transaction solutions, as well as consolidated portfolio overviews for traditional and digital assets. Myhash, what do we do? We are a holding company of a group of companies linked to the field of technology and cryptocurrencies, based in Zurich, Switzerland, where our business group is located. Our area of expertise is based on crypto trading, mining, and artificial intelligence. We use the best professionals in the field to make a profit using crypto. We will be the first crypto bank in the world to train ordinary users in the process of blockchain to make them experts. The future of Myhash. We have partnerships with FINMA licensed switch banks that offer a seamless, secure, and easy to use bridge between digital and traditional assets. This partnership enables Myhash to offer clients the ability to issue and invest in digital investment security representative of their own currency that will be launched in the next few months. The services that Myhash provides is digital custodial services, solutions for clients and investments, traditional bank, asset tokenization, crypto secured loan. So the services, we want to inspire confidence and empower people to operate in the blended economy for digital assets with crypto bank. We will offer our clients secure and vertical integrated services covering the entire life cycle of a financial product in crypto assets. Let's take a look at the leadership. Our team represents a balance of genuine expertise in the technology, information security, and crypto economics, along with banking talents who have been at the forefront of innovation in the sector. Let's look at Stefan, who's the founder and the CEO. Been in the space for 20 years, very knowledgeable in the Swiss banking area, and general institution influence in the financial market. Morant is the executive vice president, a cryptocurrency enthusiast. Morant is a Swiss pioneer in mining and specialist in blockchain. Then we have Rachel. Rachel is the communication manager of Myhash. She's over marketing and advertising specialist. Rachel has provided services to diversify mining companies in Europe. Now we come to Sammy. He's the information IT manager. Sammy is one of the greatest experts in quantum computing, is in the forefront of the company's technological sector. BankMind. With the FINMA Securities and Banking Services license, Myhash can bridge a significant gap between the new digital economy and traditional banking. We believe that the proliferation of the distributed ledger and technology, DLT, is leading to the formation of new markets and innovative ways to create value. That's why we combine technological advancements with the proven elements of traditional banking. Regulation is critical to investors' protection, and the idea of integrated and supervised bank focused on digital assets grew out of growing demand for investment alternatives and the growing affinity for technology and process engineering. Let's look at some of the benefits. Some benefits here is security, transparency, and performance. So now a new secure asset point integrated into the crypto world is possible. Now Myhash bridged the gap between the world of digital assets and traditional banking, providing new standards for security, performance, and transparency. Let's look at the timeline of Myhash. You see, one is the pre-registration and opening of investments. So that started in September of 2020. And the second event is going to be in November of 2020, and that event is for the 200 first leaders. In December of 2020, the launching headquarters at Zurich, Switzerland. In February 2021, they plan on releasing Myhash token. In May of 2021, they plan on releasing the app for Myhash. In October of 2021, they have plans to release of the bank Myhash. So you can see a little of the timeline. Now, Myhash token, let's talk a little bit about it. Myhash token is a cryptocurrency that will be used by Swiss private banks. Experts say that the scope will be gigantic, as it will be a structure for the beginning of the popularization in the banking sector. Traditional bankers are betting heavily on the project that would have a global reach with the limitation of 1 million Myhash token. Only 1 million Myhash token. Several Swiss private banks will start to implement the new tokenization function. The launch of the Myhash token will take place in the world's largest brokers, where all cryptocurrency traders will have the privilege of buying and selling with an estimated value of 1,000 by mid-2021. Let's look at Myhash plans. They have plans ranging from 100 USD to 50,000 USD. And the packages are 100, 300, 500, 1K, 3K, 5K, 10K, 2K, 30K, and 50K. Each one of the plans will pay you 300%. The withdrawal rate if you withdraw daily, it'll be 8%. Weekly, 5%. Every 2 weeks, 3%. And if you withdraw monthly, it will be 1%. The reason why the company does that, because in traditional finance, the longer that the company can hold your funds, the less you would have to pay in penalties and fees. So in this notion, you would pay less in withdrawal fees by withdrawing monthly. Withdrawal request is from Monday through Friday, and it normally takes 24 to 48 hours to receive your withdrawal request. Now, the purchase of package, you would fund it with Bitcoin, and you will withdraw in Bitcoin. And normally it takes between 3 minutes and 3 hours, depending on the activity and the flow of the blockchain, Bitcoin blockchain. Now, they do have a support 24 hours every day through the WhatsApp business and email. So you would be able to email them or be able to communicate them with WhatsApp. And the reason they use that is because it allows people to be able to communicate with them 24 hours and be able to do that freely. Now, the company monthly performance will pay you up to 30% monthly. Now, we support the growth of blockchain and other emerging technologies through small-scale investments for promising innovations. Thinking about that, the company makes the distribution of profits with its affiliates monthly that can reach up to 30%. Now, you have a direct indication. So any individual you share this with, you will get a direct indication of 5%. In order for you to receive the additional 4% in 4 other levels, which would be the second level, you would need one person on the left, one person on the right that has a package of $1,000 plan. And third level, you need 2 on the left, 2 on the right with $1,000 plan. Fourth is 3 on the left, 3 on the right with $1,000 plan. And fifth is 4 on the left and 4 on the right with $1,000 plan. And those are people that will be direct to you. Now remember, in this binary, you need to be active with a minimum of $100 to participate in the bonuses. Let's look at the binary. Now the binary here, it pays out 8% on the weaker leg. So the work of your team in the company is one of the main bonuses with which you can increase your earnings. To qualify for this bonus, you simply have an active user on your left and an active user on your right with at least the $100 package. Now let's see how this works. Now over here on the chart, you can see on the left side, you have 40 points. Now it looks like you have 42, but really you have 40 is because the 2K, which you need 1K in order to qualify for the direct binary, qualify you. And on the right side, you have a total of, if you look at the whole total, it's a total of 41. But with the 5K, which is your qualifier, right, which is your first 2, one on the left and one on the right, those are your qualifiers. And then any numbers after that would be what you would be getting paid on from that point forward. So when you look at that, you take the 40,000 and on the right side is 35, which the 35,100 is the lesser leg. So you multiply that by 8% and that will give you 2,808. That's how that works. Now let's look at some of the benefits of you sharing this with other people. Now as an executive diamond, you have your team, and on the weaker leg, you have 250,000 points in a small team. You would get a Rolex. When you reach the rank of executive double diamond, you have 5,000 points, 500,000 points in the smaller leg, and you will get an E-class in Bitcoin. As a supervisor diamond, you need 1,000,000 points on the lesser leg, and you would qualify for the push, and they would pay that out in Bitcoin. As a supervisor double diamond, you need 2,000,000 points on the smaller team, and you qualify for the Ferrari, and they pay that in Bitcoin. As a crown diamond, the awards for affiliates that they join is 5,000,000 points on the smaller leg. Ladies and gentlemen, and you will qualify for a yacht, and they will pay that in Bitcoin. Now, as a royal diamond, you need 10,000,000 points on a smaller team, and that will qualify you for a yacht plus 1,000,000 in Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the presentation of Myhash. I hope that information was valuable to you. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If somebody sent you to this site, to this video, definitely use their link, get back to them and use their link to sign up. And I will see you guys at the top because the crowd at the bottom is too crowded. Let's talk to you guys later. Bye for now.